Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me
Can
well?
you? Yes. So clearly. How about you?
Yeah, I can hear you. What's your name?
My name is Sakura.
Sakura-san, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, would you like to tell me a little about yourself?
Okay. I'm Sakura. I graduated from my college this March,
Mm-hmm.
and I am going to work for my first company. Company is international company, so I am studying hard about English, speaking English in
Right.
the MM.
Mm-hmm.
And in my free time, I like to watch movies and YouTubes. That's all.
Okay, wonderful. So this will be your first job.
Yes, first job.
Ah, okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
I want to ask you about the Pakistan and Saudi Arabia after.
Yes, please.
Yes, and I want to know a lot of information. First, I want to know Pakistan's first language.
Mm-hmm. So
What is? Mhm.
we have two official languages. One is
Oh,
English
yes, English.
and the other is Urdu.
Oh, Urdu. Urdu.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have heard of it
Mhm.
before?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
When I was high school student.
Oh, how did you learn
uh,
about it?
because what? How to say? Uh, I learned world history in
Mm-hmm.
high school, so I heard the word Urdu
Ah, okay.
language. Yes,
Right. Interesting.
does Urdu use some alphabet or not?
Yes, we have alphabets, and
Alphabet. Mm.
Urdu is actually a combination of different languages like
Okay.
Persian, Turkish, Arabic.
Oh.
Yes,
Oh.
yes. So,
Oh, interesting. Yes.
yes. And the language which is
Mhm.
spoken in Saudi Arabia is
Ah.
called Arabic.
Oh, yes. Arabic area.
In Saudi Arabia.
Ah.
Yes,
In Saudi Arabia. I understand.
yes.
Hmm. So you usually use Arabic in Saudi Arabia?
No, unfortunately, I cannot speak Arabic.
Ah,
Yeah, but I'm learning
understood.
it. I'm
Yes.
learning this language. I can read Arabic because it is the
Wow.
language of our holy book. So,
Yes.
Pakistan and Saudi Arabia both are Muslim countries.
Yes.
So, since our childhood,
Oh.
we start reading Arabic.
Wow. Understood. It is interesting. So can you can read Arabic when you are kindergarten or
Yeah,
elementary school?
yes, I learned some verses of Quran
Ah.
without reading it when I was like a child, but
Yes.
when I completed my 10th grade, I learned
Yes.
to read Arabic.
I understood. Oh, thank you.
You are welcome.
Uh, it is easy to learn Arabic.
For us, especially those who are Urdu speakers, for them it is
Ah,
easy. It's considerably easy.
yes.
There are some words which are similar in Urdu and Arabic.
Oh, similar words.
Yes,
Interesting. Oh, interesting. Oh, thank you.
you are welcome.
And I want to ask also, mm, uh, what's is the temperature today?
In Saudi Arabia, it is 36 degrees centigrade,
Wow, so
and
hot.
it's afternoon.
Oh, yes.
Mhm.
Oh, 36. It is usual in the season.
It is considered to be normal because in
Ah,
Saudi
normal.
Arabia, the temperature can go up to 50 degrees centigrades in summer.
Oh,
So it's
50.
yes, 5050, and it's
50.
sweltering hot. It's too hot.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it is so interesting.
You
I
are welcome.
enjoyed.
You are welcome,
Yes.
and it was lovely talking to you as well. Thank you so much
Yes.
for choosing me. Have a
Yes,
nice
thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.